And the Illinois Appellate Court ruled today in favor of the special prosecutor's office on every single issue. It's over as far as the Illinois Appellate Court is concerned.
You feel vindicated?
Jussie Smollett's conviction will not be overturned. That's the ruling from the appellate court today.
And that means that the former Empire actor may have to go back to jail and hand over a lot of cash.
Elizabeth Matthews is live to break it all down for us. Elizabeth.
Yes, Scott, it's a case that has had many twists and turns over the years, but as far as appeals go for Jussie Smollett, it's over. But his attorneys have one last Hail Mary.
I am innocent.
The story took over headlines in 2019 when Empire star Jussie Smollett said he was the victim of a racial and homophobic assault. Prosecutors called it a hoax, and a jury agreed in 2021. Now a 3-judge panel with the appellate court also agrees, and his conviction stands.
We're at the end of the road. I have a team of lawyers that have worked really hard for many years to do what we were asked to do and to help restore the public's confidence in the court system. I think we accomplished that.
Special Prosecutor Dan Webb is talking about the initial case against Smollett when State's Attorney Kim Foxx dropped the charges. Then Webb was hired and charges of disorderly conduct were reinstated. Fox 32 legal analyst Karen Conti says, yes, a lot of time and energy has been spent on this case, but it may be for good reason.
And I think to the extent that a new prosecutor looked at this and rectified what was perceived as maybe a sweet deal, I think was good for the justice system. But I agree that we have bigger crimes and more important things to spend our resources on.
The actor's attorneys say this is not over. Quote, we wish to highlight that the decision was divided. Justice Lyle offering a detailed analysis in favor of Smollett. We're preparing to escalate this matter to the Supreme Court, armed with a substantial body of evidence. But the Illinois Supreme Court is not required to take this case on. So what actually happens next? This case will go back to the trial court where prosecution will ask for the sentence to be reinstated. Once that happens, Smollett will have to finish about 50% of his 150 days that he was sentenced to prison time. He'll also have to pay a $25,000 fine and $120,000 in restitution to the city of Chicago. Reporting live, Elizabeth Matthews, Fox 32, Chicago.